Thank y'all for tuning in and subscribing to Cory Fast Shit Only. So check more. I got the Trackhawk. As you can see, I got the fastest Trackhawk in the city, hardest Trackhawk in the city. You know what I mean? Niggas not fucking with my game, man. None of these bloggers ain't got shit on me. None of these bloggers got nothing on me. So I'm putting it out. But I'm trying to tell y'all the difference between the Trackhawk and the Hellcat Durango. So, one thing about the track, it's gonna shake his butt when you hit it. Like, the Durango is fast, but it ain't geeked up like the Trackhawk. See, the Trackhawk go shake his butt. You gonna respect the Trackhawk. The Durango, I don't respect the Durango like that. And I'm gonna say that because like it's heavy. Now it's fast, but it's heavy. But the Trackhawk is just different. The Trackhawk is like different, man. This is my baby, 2018. Geeked up. As you can see through Demon Hood. I went see through Demon Hood on the track. You know what I mean? I ain't come to play. 440. But I also got 26s for you on the Durango, but every pothole I hit, some kind of reason I cracked the rim. So I ain't slapped them back on yet. But I'm telling you, from being a Durango owner and a Hellcat Durango owner and the Trackhawk owner, the track is way faster than Durango. This is 104. Y'all tune in, subscribe. I'm out. I'm gonna put more of this, put some more stuff up, you know what I mean? Y'all subscribe. Pull up on my game. Skirt.